What's up, my nieceeeees, and welcome back to the channel. Today is Wednesday. Today is Winter Wednesday, so you already know it's gonna be some winter or holiday or whatever themed. But before I get into the video, hello, thank you for coming back to my Vlogmas. I love you. I still ain't got my nail fixed, so don't mind me, mind your business. But anyway, subscribe and like this video, please. Okay, so it's cold outside, if y'all didn't know. And so I just wanted to share some stuff with y'all because, like, I know I'm married, so, like, when I want to go out, I don't really like the cold. And there's really not a lot to do when it's cold. So I wanted to share with y'all some fun holiday date night ideas or winter date night ideas that you can use for you and your boo. So one thing that I love and that I stick behind is date night at home. And by this, I mean like not just, oh, let's just chill and watch a movie, but I mean like make it an actual date. Y'all get dressed up, get, if you drink wine, get you some wine or some sparkling grape juice, get you some steaks, cook a really nice dinner, get some dessert, and make it a really nice night. Now, if you like us and you have kids, try to go and put your kids to sleep ahead of time. Put them on a real good schedule. It might not work, but you can try. But just make the day romantic, light some candles, and do something really fun for just you and your significant other. Another thing is like the Christmas lights, like Christmas light walkthroughs or drive-throughs. I know they have them in a lot of different cities. I know in our city they have them a lot. So just go and drive through the Christmas lights or walk through the lights and take some pictures. I know we used to do it all the time when we were in like high school, but we haven't really done it since then. But it's a great way to just spend some time with your boo, and you can also take your kids, let the kids see the lights, and y'all just enjoy each other's company. So one thing I also think is super cute is a holiday movie night. If y'all have seen my video of my top 10 Christmas movies, go find you one, pick it out, but get y'all some popcorn or some hot cocoa, eggnog, whatever, but get y'all some treats, cuddle up in your fuzziest pajamas and your fuzzy socks, and watch y'all some movies together. Just literally spend the night watching movies. Another thing is a spa day at home, and by this I mean like go and get the works. Get some face masks, some bath bombs, some scented candles, some massage oils, like some really relaxing things so that y'all can get comfortable. Get you some white robes and some cucumbers, and you can either do it for your significant other or they could do it for you, or y'all could alternate. But get each other comfortable and relaxed, especially if you work, because I know we both work a lot, so it's really nice to try to come home and just have a really relaxing day. Have a bake off. The winter time and holiday season for me is all about sweets, cookies, cakes, pies, butter rolls, all that. Like, have a fun bake off, and you can even do it to where you can have the kids in it, or it could just be y'all. Like, have some fun with each other, but mix it up and do a gingerbread competition or the best crazy cake or whatever you want to do, but just make it fun and make it sweet. The next thing is a hotel staycation. Now, what this is pretty much if you can find a babysitter if you have kids. If not, great. Rent out a hotel. Y'all get dressed up, take you a little baggie, order some food or whatever you want to do. Order some roses or some chocolate covered strawberries, something fun, and go and stay at a hotel. It doesn't even have to be in another city. It can literally be in your own city. But sometimes it feels good to just get out and have some time with your sweet other or your significant other, your person. And it just feels good to get out the house sometimes. So I think that's an amazing idea that's not too expensive. It's not too far away. So if you need to go home for any reason, and it's still a way to relax your mind. And last but not least, this may not even be winter themed or whatever, but for me, I think it's so fun. A Nerf war. Like, you know, I don't know if y'all seen the post, but you stick a note on the door, say, hey, this is your gun, this is your ammunition. I'm already locked and loaded. You got 10 seconds. And just have a ball with it. And you can even make it something like holiday themed, like this person has to do this gift for Christmas or something like that. Just make it fun, make it creative, and just have a good time with it. But the reason I wanted to share this video is for a few reasons, because I know, you know, when you have kitties run around, you have a lot going on. It can be stressful just sitting around and not really getting that intimate time. So why not give it a try, especially during the holidays where everybody's in holiday cheer and Christmas spirit. But that's it, and that's all. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a like. If you got something to say, put it down in the comments below. And if you want to see more, then subscribe and hit the notification bell like it, so you can catch up on every time I post. Because yes, I'm still doing Vlogmas, and I may look tired and look crusty some days because I'm doing this day by day, but it is what it is. It's happening. Anyway, I love y'all. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all next time.